Good evening, everyone. We, the student of NIT Durgapur, are going to present our prototype for IBM Reimagine Future Hackathon, and our theme was education. So let's get started. So first, I will begin with the table contents. So first, we will discuss solution framework, then architecture of the project, then we will have a sneak peek at our project, then we will be discussing the tech stacks that we have used for the project, then future scope, and I'll close off by declaring my team member's name. So first, solution framework. So here we have some basic assumptions. Each teacher will be allocated to one subject. Teacher can take classes for any year or class. Student will be given choice to select multiple subjects but 1 year or class. Now second, solution modeling. So we have modeling for both teacher and students. So student will be having 4 tabs: schedule, assignment, polls, and overview. So in the schedule, student can join classes and their attendance also get recorded due to this tab. For the next assignment part, the student can also view and upload their assignments. Polls part, student will be able to cast their vote to the polls created by the teacher raising any particular issue. So next is overview. Overview is basically the user profile which contains the user details of a current student, like name, phone number, subject, etc. Now coming to the teachers part, again these 4 categories: schedule, assignment, polls, and overview. So in the schedule, teacher can create classes and record the attendance via this tab. For the assignment section, again the teacher will be given a form and he or she can easily create the assignment through submitting the form. For the polls part, again teacher can create polls to raise any particular issue. For the next overview part, it is same as for the student. Overview will consist of the user details such as name, email, phone number, and subject. Now I'll be talking about the architecture of the project. So first, main EduCafe is rendered. Then we are given 2 choices: either login as teacher or login as student. For the if we further go, we have 2 options: login and register. Login and register. So register will throw up a form and user can fill his details entirely and register either as a teacher or as a student. Now after logging in, there are 4 tabs for the teachers portal and 4 tabs for the student portal. Both of them are overview, notification, schedule, polls, assignments, and here also these are the same. So for the teachers notification, teacher can send notification through email and student can receive the notification via email. Now schedule, teacher can create and or cancel the class and also can view the attendance of the attendees, and at the same time student can join the class and their attendance get recorded by clicking on the join now button. For the polls, teacher can create the polls regarding the particular issue and student will be able to respond to the polls, and also after submitting the poll they can see their response. For the assignment section, teacher can create the assignment via simple form mentioning the deadline and the subject, and same will be the part of the student where he or she will be getting the option to upload the document and submitting the assignment. Next, let's have a sneak peek at our website. So this is the main page of our teachers portal. Here we have side navbar, top navbar, and the side navbar consists of various tabs: overview, schedule, polls, assignment, logout. And the top navbar consists of user profile and notification, and the main window will consist of the schedule class. As you can here notice, there are 3 buttons: join now, view attendance, cancel, and end the class. And here also for the teachers portal there is a schedule class. Next, now here is the teachers portal. So this is the assignment portal. Here it is a form, and this is the portal where teacher can view the assignment submission. Here, as you can notice, student name Lekhansh and Hema have already submitted the assignment created by the teacher name Akshat Bhatnagar. Now this is the schedule class form, and this is the form for creating polls. Here is the attendance list in which a teacher can get via clicking the view attendance for the particular class. Now next, Here is the user profile link, and this is the notification tab for the teacher, where teacher can send the notification via email. Now coming to the students portal, here is the online class feature. While when the student clicks join now, then he or she will be redirected to such window. And as you can see here, one teacher Akshat Bhatnagar has already joined, and here student Lekhansh is joined. Now next, this is the view assignment tab for the student. So here you can see the list of various assignments posted by the teachers. Now this is the tab for the polls, where student can vote the polls. As you can see, there is a question and two options and submit the response. Same goes for the assignment. Student can choose any file and upload it here. Now this is the user profile for the student. Now I will be discussing the tech stacks. Tech stacks, for the backend part we have used Node.js, Express.js, Mongoose, PM packages such as Passport, NodeMailer, etc. For front end, HTML, CSS, EJS, JavaScript is used, and for the database, HyperProtect DBase for MongoDB B1 is used because of fast and secure access to the database. And cloud we have used is IBM Cloud. Now coming to the future scope, we have mentioned the although we are sending the notification via email and SMS both, but due to some time constraint we couldn't able to integrate the SMS part, so we are sending the notification through email only. And for uploading the PDF we will be requiring cloud storages such as IBM Cloud, etc. But for time being we have used Heroku server to do the same. Next, we'll try to integrate the chatbot for more interactive user interface, and also we will be providing user to customize their dashboard according to their needs, and we will be providing readable formats of the documents for the illiterate people, and also we will be introducing virtual reality to make learning more engaging.
This is the video demo of a prototype, EduCafe. Here, this is the landing page, and you can either go to the student portal or the teacher portal. Here, let's log in as a, initially we'll register as a student. You'll be given two options, either to register or login. Here we can register with some credentials. Name I can give Matt. His email is matt1@gmail.com. Password, contact number. Year means the class in which he's studying. Let's give him, he's studying in 10th class. Roll number is 89. The subjects are physics, chemistry, maths, and biology. Now he has been redirected to the portal. This is the student portal. You can find the overview, schedule, polls, assignment, and logout, etc. Here, let's log out and we'll see how the teacher portal looks like. We should go to the teacher's portal. Now let's register as a teacher initially before logging in. The name of the teacher is Tom. His email is something tom1@gmail.com. The password, his contact number, and the subject he's going to teach. Now Tom is registered, and this is the teacher view of the portal. Here he can schedule classes and polls and assignments, and also here he can send notification. We'll go into deep in a while. Now let's log in into the teacher's portal. Here, as you can see, initially we are redirected to the teacher's portal. We can schedule a class here. Now, if you want to schedule a class for students of class 12th, and we have to select the start time, which is 10 in the morning, 10:15 in the morning. Now we have schedule the class. Now, as you can see here, the timing of the class, the name of the teacher, the standard which you want to take, and the subject, as well as you can see the attendance, a join now button, and the end class button. Let's see the student point of view, how it would come. We'll log in as a student. In the student point of view, here you can see the class, the lecture scheduled by the teacher, 45 minutes at 10:15 by the Professor Rick. Now, as soon as you click join now button, you would be redirected to the Jitsi video link, which is embedded in the website itself. Here you can type the name and then join the meet. Now, after the class ends, we can end the meet. If you can see the teacher side of it, here even the teacher will have the join now button. And then in the view attendance, as you can see, Lekansh, roll number 56 has joined. As many as people they join the meet, the attendance list will be updated. Now, after the class is ended, teacher can take the copy the attendance and end the class. As you can see in the students page, how many of our lectures are there? They all are here. And once the teacher ends the class, it is gone from his schedule, and even from the students thing, it's removed. So these are the classes which have been scheduled. Now this is all about the schedule feature. Now let's move on to another feature of our product, which is polls. Now the whole idea of polls is that now if the teacher wants to ask something to the class, opinion on anything which he wants to take a decision on, then the polls are useful there. Here, this is an already existing poll. Here, as you can see, he asked a question and the people replied. 0 people replied with the first option, and few people replied with the second option. Now, how to create a poll? Now, if you create a poll, we can the teacher name, the year of the people, the class of the people which you want to ask, the question. For example, when do you want the exam? 18th or 19th? You can ask a question. Now, one option is 18th and option 19th. You can create a question. Now, these are the polls. Now, in the student point of view, as you can see, the poll has been created, physics class 12. Now, the student can open the poll and then submit his response. For example, if you want on 19th, then on the teacher's portal, you can see the 19 has been updated. So the teacher gets a overall view that what what decision he should take based on the preferences given by the student. This is all about the polls option. Now let's move on to one of the other feature, assignment. Here, basically the teacher gives an assignment and the student should submit the files, preferably written by them and taken pictures and uploaded in the PDF format. Now let's assign a new assignment, teacher name, the year, the question, what is inertia, and then he can set a deadline by which they should submit, and the subject of course. Now the teacher can post an assignment, and here the assignment is there according to the deadline and this. Now on the student side, if you go to the assignments, these are the assignments given by multiple teachers and multiple subject. Here the one we have recently assigned, you can click on it and you can see that what is the deadline and the question. They can write and scan it and convert into PDF format. Then you can select a file. Now you can submit the file. After he submits the file, you can see now when you click on the view assignment tab, you can see that the submit is gone. The student can view his own submission, and likewise. Now on the teacher side of the portal, as you can see, the teacher gets the name of the student who submitted and even his assignment, and the teacher can check if it's right or not. Now, as students keep on submitting the assignment, they keep on coming here, and the teacher can check their responses individually. This is all about the assignment section. And one another feature of our project is that send notification. Here we have the facility to send the mails to particular students of studying particular subject. So I'm teacher Rick, and then I can send to the people of studying physics in year 10. What if the email is tomorrow you will be having an extra class? Then I can send it. Now, as you can see, uh, these are the mails of the students. Here you can see tomorrow you'll be having an extra class sent from teacher Rick. And then this is another student. You can see tomorrow you'll be having an extra class from Rick. So this is the send notification feature. Using this, the teacher can send any of the messages he want to convey to the students through email. Now, this is all about the send notification feature. And one more thing, the overview. Overview basically tells everything about the user. In case of teacher, it is the name of the teacher, email, contact, and subjects which is teaching. And same in case of the student portal, you can see the overview of the student, his name, email, contact, year, roll number, and subjects is particularly enrolled in the course. So this is all about our demo. Yeah, these are the two portals.
Here is our team: Abantika Saha, Akshat Bhatnagar, that is me, Arka Seth, and MPS Prasanth. We would like to thank you for attending our session, and if you have any question, you can post it in the comment section and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much.